Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and stay safe at home. Welcome to Happy Home O-Level School, Art and Design. And today I will teach grade 5. Today we are discussing about elements of art and what are the basic rules of composition and how to develop a better composition. Now let's discuss about composition. Composition is the placement or arrangement of the visual elements such as figures, trees, and so on in a work of art. Now we have already discussed about composition. Now how to compose a good composition. What are the points we have to see and we can improve our compositions? Pick a good subject. It means pick a good subject. Your composition depends a lot what you are actually painting or drawing. So pick something very interesting. Now, second one is choose the size you want. How big or small do you want to portray your subject? Think about placement. Think about placement, the way you place shape, two-dimensional surface, centering your subject vertically or horizontally. Now, positive, negative space. Positive space is an object or shape that stands out from the background and registers to the eyes as something as negative space around object. Control your lines. Equal amount of negative positive space to make a work feel more balanced. Distracting elements, too many lines, color can distract or confuse viewers. In this way, you can make a good composition. In this image, you can see cup, glass and apple. Now can you see? I have 6 boxes and in the same 6 boxes the same object with the different variations, their placement, their line control, their subject, positive negative space and sizes. They all are varied and differentiated to each other. Now these are the different art samples. There are village scene, a flooded scene, people are selling something or the women are cooking. In this way you can create your own imagination with your own thought and you can create your own sketch. You can take it as a reference but you can develop your own picture. You can draw Empress Market, you can draw your own market nearest to your home, or you can draw your own people around it and you can create your own composition. Today let's discuss about how to create a good composition. For the good composition we have to see the placement of the pictures, how to place it and how to settle it. Now what we have to see, if we see any good composition, so how to draw it. Can you see it's a parallel lines, and if we see the picture we have to mark it every part. A straight line, then again parallel, then again parallel, again same way in a zigzag manner or the parallel manner we have to see the picture. We have to see 3 grounds: foreground, middle ground and background. This is our one line where you can see pot, hands and this one more pot in the foreground, and this part is the middle ground. In the middle ground you can see the picture, two lady boys are standing between middle ground and foreground. These two ladies are also standing middle ground and foreground. And this lady is entirely in a middle ground. Just a small legs are coming from foreground. And what are the backgrounds? You have to create the heart in the middle ground and extended your heart in a curve shape, and you have to draw it. And you have to see the color composition as well. Over here, can you see the dark tones, the lady cloth, the shading, the design on the lady dress, these two boys hairstyle. You have to see the fire is burning over here, so you have to see the picture. And what are the things background comes? So it would be trees, it would be mountains, it would be small small fences or small greenery part, or you can create some birds. You can show it from the distance. In this way we can create it three grounds. In the foreground is the most realistic part where your eye viewpoint goes. In the two crows are standing along with pot, along with one boy is hanging the spot, and the second one, the middle ground, is for two boys, two women, and one woman is holding some bunch of logs or trees. And the middle ground, starting from the middle ground, we can create the curved shape and create heart in the background, till the background. And how can we give and create shading? So we will see it another picture or another video. Now what is your task? You can create any village scene, city scene, anything which is really, you can see it. You can create many compositions, you can create many things, many people, objects, house, many things. You can define it or you can show it. You can create it by your own.
I'm in love with you. Now I know.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you all will submit me your homework in Google Classroom. I will be waiting for your some amazing and interesting artwork.